Hi, I'm Mark Mancini with VRB Outstanding and Vacation Home Mastery. This episode, I'm going to go over 5 really cool best EV mods for your Cybertruck. So we're going to start at the front of the truck, front of the Cyberbeast, and work our way back to these 5 really cool add-ons you can get for your truck. Now, for your frunk, some of you might be interested in a cargo net. This is really good if you want to put stuff underneath, right? Without having to strap it down, since there's no place to really strap it in the front. You can put things underneath it that'll hold maybe your groceries, maybe other things, but it's a real nice netting and it goes in real easy. Right here on both sides, you've got this plastic that pops right off. And then there's 2 screws, and you just take those 2 screws off. You wrap the loop around the screw into there, okay? And that fastens in. Then they give you these little rubber grommets that go right over the top. And you've got 2 extra pieces of plastic for you to hold on for posterity. And the other side's the same way. This is what the polished look looks like. And now you can put stuff underneath it. Maybe even like a young baby. I don't know, I'm only kidding. But it's a great place to store things. So that's a really cool feature from BestEVMod's. By the way, below we've got a link for you for your special pricing on that. So inside the truck, we've got another mod from BestEVMod's. And don't forget, click on the links below for your best pricing. We have a special coupon code for you. Now, many of you will put your phone in your armrest, but if you do, it goes all the way through because it's a pass-through. BestEVMod's has these great inserts. You pop in just like that, and now you could put your phone right in there, put some change, put in some mints, anything else like that. These are a great feature. They just pop right in, fit in all 4 doors. You get a set of 4 with these, okay? That's the second thing from BestEVMod. I'm going to show you the third thing from BestEVMod. Right here, we've got storage underneath your monitor. Maybe you want to put your wallet underneath here or some paperwork. You've got storage right underneath here. It's just a simple magnet that goes over the monitor right there, and you can drop things in there for storage, which is a great thing to do. Okay, so BestEVMod's, that is number 3. We got 2 more to show you. Next, right here, I'm going to pull it out for you. This is going to protect your Cybertruck. So right now, this is your stock cup holder, and if you're like me, coffee and ices will kind of spill all over the place. This is just a rubber insert that goes in there. This is great for a work truck because these are pickup trucks. Now you've got protection on your EV. It looks stock, looks like it came with it, but it's rubber and protects everything underneath here. Another great feature. This is number 4 from BestEVMod. Finally, number 5 is down below. Now this, to me, with the Cybertruck, has been a waste of space until this came along. Because what we're going to put underneath here, right? It's just not really convenient. So you can put some big cups of coffee, some big ices or big drinks that normally wouldn't fit in your regular cup holder, okay? And you'll notice these are spring loaded, okay? Also, you can pop these out in case you have a real big like Yeti or something to put in there. You also have some storage up front here. Maybe you have some paperwork or a manual underneath there. You've got 2 storage bins here. You've got some small, thin storage bins here. But this is more practical use because it's got a lip on the side here, and it just drops right in. Makes it for a good use of the storage area that normally was dead. So with the storage box there, there's storage in between the seats. There's storage at the door handles. You've got more practical uses now for storage from BestEVMod's. And right below, we've got the links for all 5 of these products, as well as our promo code. And don't forget this cargo net, which to me, it seems minor, but it's pretty cool because a lot of times you don't want stuff sloshing around here and scratching up your plastic. So it's a great way to keep things intact. So remember, subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more stuff coming out, including polishing your Cybertruck to a near finish. So stay tuned.